Hi, I'm Carl from Alabama. I am extremely excited as I won $1,000 on the Tuesday night 100K Bulls Mastermind webinar. To qualify for the drawing, we had to make a Babes NFT talk. Everyone who completed the assignment and submitted the video before the Tuesday night webinar started was eligible. The flippity dippity spinning wheel stopped on my name. I could not believe it. I was so excited. Dr. Vincent Ortego Jr. let everyone know that the winner was 75 years old. That made me feel real proud that a senior citizen completed a task of making a Babe's NFT talk and won $1,000. Wow. Since last December, Nick Anderson has told us to type 777 in the comments if we felt lucky and plan to be the first millionaire in our family. Then we started typing pound. We stay winning 777 in the comments. That'll be really exciting the next time I type this in the comments. So wow, can't wait to that. I can think about winning the $1,000. The 100K Mastermind Group has been actively posting on social networks since December 2022. During the last month, we've been posting a video every day. None of my family and friends have responded to any of these posts. A couple of them in person warned me that I needed to be careful and not to put too much money in this. They were worried that I might get scammed. But things changed last night when I posted that scantily dressed talking babe. Then I did get a few responses. They didn't know the babe was an NFT. Most of them don't even know what an NFT is. After the webinar, I copied my winnings from PayPal and posted on Facebook. Then I copied the note from onlinebusiness.app and posted it on Facebook. This finally got some attention, responses from some of my family and friends. Today, a few people actually talked to me about my involvement with Online Business App, even though they still said, you better be careful fooling around with crypto. Well, thank you, Online Business App, for the $1,000. Thank you for your leadership. Thank you for your training in these masterminds. Now, I'm going to go to the computer and I will show you my Facebook post where I showed my winnings of the $1,000. I am now on my computer. Here's the picture of the babe that I used. I'm not going to show you her talking because it gives you an echo, but I posted her before the webinar. But then after the webinar, I came back and I went to my PayPal account and I copied and put this from PayPal and pasted it here to Facebook. Wow, that really looks good. And PayPal seeing Online Business App sent you $1,000 USD. Oh, wow. That's nice, isn't it? Thank you, OBA. And then they sent a note along with it. So here's the note. The note says, cha-ching, you rock for taking action and making a Babes NFT talk. Now you're ready to turn them into mini promo and sales videos for the future that you can use and others can use to explain what we have to offer, the world. Your Babes NFT will most definitely be going on fantastic vacations with you on your Web3 wallet in the very near future. So, good message there. Thank you for that. Thank you for that $1,000. I'll put it to good use. I'm looking at purchasing some more bulls with it. So I hadn't had time to go and look the prices, but I'll do that when I get a chance. So excited to win. Fun. Thanks so much, OBA.